Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log into your crypto.com. First of all, you need to open your Google Chrome web browser, and after that, on the top section, that is your URL section, type down crypto.com login and enter it after you're done. And from this option, you need to select this first one. And after that, you'll get an interface like this where you are required with your email address or your password in order to log in. So simply type down your email address and your password. But if you have forgotten your password, then you can simply click on this option in order to recover or reset it. Or if you do not have an account, if you have not registered or enrolled your account in the crypto, you can simply create a new account by just clicking on the sign up now option. Or you can also scan it to instantly just by your phone. You can simply do the on-screen instructions over here, and by that you can log in accordingly with your scan in as well. This is it, guys. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon for more upcoming uploads.